Study the following information carefully and answer the following questions. A is the father of B and son-in-law of E. F is a niece of R who is mother of Z. R is a sister-in-law of H who is grandmother of B. H is not parent of A. Let's solve the problem from the given information. In the question they given that A is the father of B and son-in-law of E. Here A is father of B and son-in-law of E. So here A is a male person and we don't know the gender of B and E. So gender of B and E can be represented with a question mark. And in the question they also given that F is a niece of R who is mother of Z. Here this statement is not related to the diagram. So skip the statement and later we will discuss. And in the question they also given that R is the sister-in-law of H who is grandmother of B. Here from the statement, H is the grandmother of B and in the statement they also given that R is the sister-in-law of H. Here R is a female person because R is the sister-in-law of H and H is also a female person because H is grandmother of B. And in the question they also given that H is not parent of A. Here from this statement, H is not parent of A and in another statements they given that A is the father of B and H is grandmother of B. From all these statements we will know the relationship between H and A, that is A is son-in-law of H. So here A is son-in-law of E and H is a female person. So E is a male person and E and H are married couple. And in the question they also given that F is a niece of R who is mother of Z. Here from the statement F is niece of R, so F is a female person. Here from the diagram we know that R is sister-in-law of H and F is niece of R. So from this relations we know that F is daughter of E and H and wife of A. So here A and F are married couple. And here from the statement, R is mother of Z. Here we don't know the gender of Z. This is the final relation diagram. And let's see the questions based on this diagram. Question number 1. If Z is married to K and he is a banker, then how is K related to R? Options are option A, brother-in-law, option B, sister-in-law, option C, son-in-law, option D, daughter-in-law and option E, none of these. Let's see the solution. Here Z is married to K, but here we don't know the gender of Z and K. In the question they given that he is a banker. So Z is a male person and K is a female person. Here R is the mother of Z. So here K is daughter-in-law of R. So the answer is option D, daughter-in-law. Question number 2. How is H related to A? Options are option A, father-in-law, option B, mother-in-law, option C, son-in-law, option D, daughter-in-law and option E, none of these. Let's see the solution. From the diagram, clearly we know that H is a female person and mother-in-law of A. So the answer is option B, mother-in-law.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn more and check our channel for complete free learning videos.